this position, the upper plate rests on the lower plate and automatically adjusts to the thickness of the food on the plate. The food will be cooked evenly on both sides and is ideal for cooking hamburgers, deboned meat and thin meat slices, vegetables, and sandwiches. When you use the contact grill, the food cooks quickly as it is in contact with the plates on both sides at once. The appliance has a special hand grip and hinge design, allowing the upper plate to be adjusted according to the thickness of the food. If you want to cook a number of different food types simultaneously using the contact grill,